Now we're going to review function rules and talk about function notation. So remember, a function rule is kind of like a formula, basically that we write. Okay. So now when we change that into function notation, we're going to replace the y with f of x. So this f parentheses x, the way we say it is f of x. That's how we say it out loud. It's not f times x. It's f of x. And it basically means we took our outputs, our y's, and replaced it. Instead of putting a y equals, we put f of x equals, okay? So like on ordered pairs, it's an xy ordered pair. Now it's a x f of x ordered pair. And then same thing for like tables. The left-hand column is always x. The right-hand column was a y. Here we're going to replace the y with f of x, okay? So that's basically the way we start with this function notation. So basically the y's and the f of x just replaces it, themselves, but there is some differences, and we will get into that, okay? So here we have a function rule. It's f of x equals 2x minus 1. Remember, x, that's going to be your inputs, and then your outputs are going to be f of x, or just f, okay? So here we go. So let's pretend, there's our function rule there. Let's pretend we're going to use 5 for an input. Now we apply our function rule. So that would be 2 times whatever x is minus 1. So that's going to be 2 times 5. That makes 10. Minus 1 makes 9. So if our input is a 5, then our output is a 9. So using function notation, it would look like this. F of 5 equals 9. And what this basically says is that our input was a 5. We did our function rule, f, and then our output was a 9. So input a 5, output a 9. So if you're thinking like an ordered pair, 5 comma 9 is what it would be, okay? When x is 5, then the y or the output makes 9.